The North Carolina Center of Engineering Technology helped us tremendously on getting products to market much faster than what we traditionally would do. We have two products as an example that we've worked with. One, an interconnect, and another in a cable assembly that we were developing. We certainly had the ability to work with the team there to develop and fine-tune the products, which traditionally would take 4 to 6 months, mostly by myself. But having, again, the peer-to-peer relationship and the team having the understanding of what we're trying to achieve, cut that down significantly. And within our Volex's process of new product development, the first 3 phases of this are where it's affected mostly. So I would say that is where we have benefited from getting the products out. Our experience in dealing with the Center of Engineering Technology has been excellent, to say the least. I would have to say it's a breath of fresh air having this group and this facility within the Hickory area. It is a very personable team. There's quick turn replies on questions and support, and certainly we consider it an extension of our internal design team, which is a big benefit. Our company has saved a considerable amount of money and time by utilizing the resources at the center. First and foremost, I would say the proximity to our location. We're stone's throw away. It's easy to get to. So typically we would normally have to drive somewhere to Charlotte or Raleigh area or Asheville to get this type of service and help and support. In some cases we would never even have an opportunity to go to those facilities. It would be done with shipping parts back and forth. So you can imagine with having to either travel, the cost of that, in addition to shipping costs, shipping parts there, have them measured as an example and brought back, saved us a considerable amount of time and money. Typically, what we do in a lot of cases with the center is hand carry parts over, have the activities done that we were intended to do, and hand carry back before lunchtime. So I guess an analogy to this process would be similar to just-in-time in manufacturing. This would be the equivalent with the design cycle that we are in. We get it done quickly and just what we need in the right amount of time. Our plans to use the Center of Engineering Technology in the future is to continue to work with them on our upcoming projects. We've got quite a few of new developments coming up, and we hope to incorporate the design phase with the center by utilizing elements such as the polymer labs. As an example, typically what we would do is travel to our Mexican facility to work with the team there dealing with injection molding with polymers, and of course that's very costly and very time consuming to do that, let alone the communication problems and issues we've dealt with. So we are anticipating a great deal of work with the center group here in developing these new products. As an example, rapid prototyping, we work with them on creating models. In a lot of cases, as a case in point, a group we work with out west, they don't have an understanding of what we're trying to do. All they see is a model, and these groups work with tons and tons of various products, and we're just a number. So we lose that personable relationship in developing our products for them to have a firm understanding of what we're trying to achieve, whether it's from scratch design or from an enhancement, and then making the rapid prototype. So that would be one example. Other examples were the metrology lab with measuring. We have very limited resources here in doing various measurements, whether it's quality inspections, failure analysis, or reverse engineering. So having the center close by, and again with their state-of-the-art equipment, we have the ability to utilize these features that would normally, again, be significant in time and money. The thing that really got me was the educational part, because that's always been a scar because of the painstaking of trying to have something close by and not having that available. And with all the businesses in this area where employees need to have a 4-year technical degree, have to make sacrifices to either travel, and you lose family time, and a lot of associated problems come to trying to do that versus having it close by and having an accommodating schedule. Well, the problem was with, when you get rapid prototypes from China, these are the problems and issues you have to deal with, and we have to correct for that. So it's not a fun thing to do. And with your help, we certainly don't have to rely on these type of issues to occur in the future, as we know we can go to the center and develop prototypes there locally without the headaches of additional corrections.